I have reviewed a ton of red light therapy pads, and in this particular case, this is my favorite one by far. No, they are not paying me to actually say this, but I wanted to first show you an unboxing. In another video, I'm actually going to show you exactly how this red light therapy works. First of all, take a close look at this thing. See how soft and squishy this is? I'll be honest with you, a lot of red light therapy pads aren't like this. They're kind of this hard plastic that is very unforgiving, and it is cold. This is warm and soft. So there's the main pad right there. And of course we have that quick little start manual, which is honestly kind of confusing. So watch my other video on actually how to get this thing going. Lippy's going to hold that right there. He's a sweet boy. All right. So there are two of these little Velcro pads. So there's the long one and there's the shorter one. Okay, so those actually align with the pad, and I'll show you how those go on in just a moment. Oh, Lippy's getting in the way. He's a nice fellow. I'm going to give him an extra $1 later. But continuing with the unboxing, it comes with some eye protection if, in fact, you're going to use this on your face. And that is pretty much it, except for the cables, but we're going to get to that in just a moment. Take a peek under there. As you can see, that is pretty much the unboxing. Now, back to actually how to assemble this thing. Of course, you can just put this right onto your skin or your stomach or your back or something like that. But if you wanted this thing to curve and have it over your face, so it kind of affixes on that side, and then it kind of goes over onto the other side using the hook and loop. I can't say Velcro because that's trademarked, but as you can see, it works just like this. And so there are two different lengths of this little connector, and this is the shorter one. So that would work perfectly if in fact you were to lay under that with your head. And let's go ahead and take a quick look at the cable. I'll be honest with you, the cabling is not very intuitive how you put this thing together. But again, in my other video, I'm going to show you exactly how this thing charges along with the little remote control, using that to actually activate this thing